Hi, this is Bev from QPL Rural. Thank you for taking the time out today to watch this short video on reporting maintenance. We like to take a proactive approach to maintenance management to ensure that the property you rent is maintained in good repair as instructed by our landlords. The identification and prioritising of maintenance in all properties managed by our office is something we take very seriously. Repairs that require attention, identified by you, tradespeople and your property manager, are detailed and processed using an advanced maintenance manager software. As the approved occupant of the rental property managed by our team, you will be able to lodge your maintenance request and view the status of your request via our free tenant maintenance reporting app. So how do you report a maintenance issue to us? Well, this can be done in a number of ways.
Our preferred option is through the FixFlo app,
which we will go through shortly. But of course, you can always call our office during business hours or pop in person and talk to one of our property managers.
FixFlo maintenance app allows you to report any issues 24/7.
Enabling you to report an issue when it happens or when you become aware of it and not have to rely on contacting the office the next day. The tenant maintenance reporting app, the FixFlo maintenance reporting system, can be accessed through our website or through your tenant portal. The first time you access it, you will be required to enter your email address and a password of your choice to create your account. The system recognises you by your email address, so please use the email address that we have on file when you set up your login. Once you have registered, please save the FixFlo reporting page as a cloud app on your smartphone, and then you will always be able to report issues directly from your phone to the system. Simply choose the appropriate icon and enter in the details to submit a request. Once you have submitted a maintenance issue using the app, you will receive a confirmation email with the details of your request. As the request progresses, you will also receive emails to advise you what is happening, when trade suppliers have been assigned, which tradesperson will be attending the job, and the scheduled date for work, etc. You can also check the status of the job at any time on the app. Once a maintenance issue has been attended to, you may receive an email to advise you that the trade supplier has informed us that the job is complete. If you receive a verification request, please respond and let us know if there are any issues with the work that has been done. You can confirm completion either using the app or the email link. Please attach a photo of the finished job for the property manager and landlord. We look forward to working with you to simplify the handling of maintenance tasks. We hope this app saves time and hassles and keeps you informed of what's happening regarding maintenance issues. Thank you for your time today, and remember, please save the FixFlo app on your phone for ease of submitting any maintenance issues.